Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing the 10 best seeds you should add to your diet for better health. Number 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds is high in omega-3 fatty acids, rich in fiber, and supports heart health and digestion. Number 2. Flax seeds. It is rich in antioxidants and supports hormonal balance. Excellent source of plant-based omega-3s. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds is high in magnesium, zinc, and iron. Boosts immune and heart health. Promotes restful sleep. Number 5. Sunflower seeds. High in vitamin E for skin health. Supports healthy cholesterol. Strong antioxidant benefits. Number 6. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds is a complete plant-based protein. Supports muscle growth and joint health. Balanced omega-6 and omega-3 ratio. Number 7. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds is rich in calcium for strong bones. Natural anti-inflammatory. Supports healthy blood pressure. Number 8. Pomegranate seeds. It is loaded with antioxidants. Boosts heart health. Strengthens the immune system. Number 9. Quinoa. Is a seed often used as a grain. Complete protein source. Supports metabolism and weight management. Number 10. Nigella seeds. It is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Supports respiratory health. Immune-boosting properties. Number 11. Cumin seeds. It supports digestion. Rich in iron. Natural body detoxifier. Add these seeds to your meals for a healthier life. Which seed will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.